Hey guys, it's Chef Lily here at Link 2 Hospitality Solutions Test Kitchen in Rochester, New York. And today we have the brand new Blodgett ImVection. We have the new touchscreen with the one-touch controller. It's open kitchen compatible. We have the probe hookup attachment. And between the 4 different cavities, we can do 175-degree temperature difference. Today we're gonna be cooking a mushroom tart with some shaved ribeye. We're gonna roast our mushrooms and onions for 15 minutes at 450 degrees. While that's going, we're gonna put in our puff pastry. We have this beautiful ribeye. We're gonna cook at 525 degrees. The mushroom and onions are done. All right, pulling the ribeye out. We roasted our mushrooms and onions, mixed it with a little bit of cheese and egg. We filled our par-baked tart, and we're gonna put it back in to bake for an additional 4 minutes. Thanks to the ImVection, we were able to cook the steak with impingement for 8 minutes, the sauteed mushrooms and onions for 15 minutes, and the puff pastry in 15 minutes. Thanks to the ventless technology of Blodgett. I'm Chef Lily. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.